Alrighty, everybody. Happy 4th of July. It is Saturday, July 4th, and this is week 6 of the update. Really slacking on getting these in the yard out front, but other than that, some lavender flowers. Oregano, mint, cherry tomatoes got all over the place. Nothing on the bell peppers, just some flowers. On the jalapenos, ooh, look at all those little guys. Got to get a bigger pot for this one. I came out earlier and it was like, help me. So that's good. Sunflower. This thing's getting even bigger, a little thinner. Cut some stuff out. Harvested 2 nice sized zucchinis already. Got another one on the way. And then cucumbers here. I cut most of the little side shoots off just to keep it to these four main ones. Harvested 1 already. And then we got 2 more. Give them a little longer. But they won't be here next week, so. Finally almost hit the top on one of them. Couple little side shoots I put into the middle of the cage. But over here we got the, I don't know if you can see these little guys in here. Couple little guys in there. And this one, I don't know. I might be cutting this one. It is just not. I don't know. No idea. It's the only one in this pot that's not happy. Marigolds are digging it. This guy's looking pretty good. So the marigold, but the little orange snackers aren't happy. All right. So we got this guy. He's got little babies down there. Still a little better. It's been incredibly hot the past couple days, so everything's like. Let's take a look at the rose, see how it's. New growth at the top with no critters on it. Oh, no, I spoke too soon. These guys. Okay. Oh. Marigolds are hanging in down there with the heat. Gotta do a little weeding. Clean it up a little. It's been too hot. All right, well, this is this week. See you next week. Have a happy 4th.